Join one of the most rewarding loyalty schemes in the industry with Connect. With a brand new website designed to make your life easier on the move. Earn points for every install you register, and for every product that needs it, you will always receive free and fast gas-safe registrations. Make a free profile on our website. Find out who your local ASM is, use our ERP calculator, and gain exclusive access to products and marketing materials from your favorite brands. Move up through the ranks and go for gold with every boiler registration you make. You can spend your points on a fantastic range of unlimited rewards such as workwear, tools, spare parts and boiler accessories, training guides and courses. You can even trade your points for cash on a prepaid MasterCard to spend however you'd like. Get the most out of your loyalty scheme and become a member of Connect today.